Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. 2025 biggest hiring of the year finally announced from Infosys. It's related to DSC and SP opportunity. Step by step registration video, updated resume format I am sharing with all of you. You have to do two things: apply for all opportunity, like and share the video. It will hardly take 1 to 2 seconds. I streamed, like I shared the opportunity in the live session 37 minutes ago, and it is the step by step registration process video. Here is the Infosys off campus hiring official notification that is posted by their many professional, that Infosys off campus hiring 2025 is live again. Open application through off campus hiring, specialist programmer, L3 trainee, L2 trainee, L1 trainee. Salary is mentioned by company itself. It is one of the biggest opportunity. Okay, you guys can see everything. It is mentioned by company itself, so you have to apply for opportunity. This is the updated resume format you can use while applying for Infosys. There is only eligibility criteria shortlisting, so you have to make sure that you know about the eligibility criteria in very detail. Okay, eligibility criteria is mentioned this. Okay, so you have to apply for opportunity, like it is shared by their professional Infosys off campus hiring L1 L2 trainee. Okay, everything is mentioned about the eligibility criteria, so you guys can check. I shared the single post link in which Infosys SPDSC hiring apply link is there. Resume format one link is there. Okay, resume format 2 link is there. How to use this resume format? Click on file, download option, Microsoft Word. Your Word file will be downloaded and just edit that Word file. Okay, let's start the registration. First of all, everything you have to click on I agree. They will ask your email, first name and last name. Then first of all, you have to select your gender, and I am filling all of the details very fast. You have to select a date of birth here, citizenship, do you have passport and address for communication, then click on next page. Okay, then they will ask the 10th 12th related details, graduation, post graduation and everything. So I am filling this detail very fast. A secondary school leaving certificate you have to choose. School you have to mention your school name. Okay, like this. Board is Central Board of Secondary Education, like you have to choose. What's your central secondary education or state education, you can mention here PCB, science, or you can mention general. Okay, so country is India, or whatever you can mention, like science here, state as well. So like most probably they check the eligibility criteria very carefully. Simple average percentage CGPA grade of all semester, like my CGPA is 8, so I have to mention passing date of birth, passing month and year. Okay, then you have to choose the 12th standard in which higher secondary school or pre-university course. So higher secondary school, then you have to fill the same details that is related to school. Then again that is related to your board state. You have to choose the branch here, PCME, PCMB, PCM. Okay, then you have to choose the percentage, and you have to choose which is the passing year, according like which is the passing month and year. Okay, graduation degree you have to choose Bachelor of Technology. What's your institute, like you have to choose like this. Okay, university, what's your university? Rajiv Gandhi Pradyogiki Vishwavidyalay, like here India. And then state. Okay, then you have to choose the state. Branch stream, you have to choose the branch and stream, computer science and engineering. Simple average percentage, and what's your pass out batch and month. Okay, like this. Post graduation degree is optional. Do you have an active backlog? No. If you select yes, they will ask. Do you have any gap in education? They will ask this. No. Simply click on next page. Have you undergone any selection process with Infosys Limited previously? Suppose you choose yes. So for Infosys Limited, have you taken any test, selected for interview, received an offer, join for Infosys subsidiary? Like this they will ask everything. So if you not just no, are you no, are you employed partner, have you time convinced by yeah, no. Okay, just please upload your college identity. For when you try to apply for this, it will show could not upload file. Please check your connectivity and make sure file is under 5 MB. Try to re-upload files again. Okay, make the file size small. Okay, and try after some time, it will definitely work. I think there is some error. Please check your connectivity. I suggest you to try at many interval, today, tomorrow, after tomorrow. So definitely registration will be work. Okay, there is no need to worry about that. Registration will be successful. You have to try at multiple trial. Thanks for watching the video.